Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time I'm demonstrating a unit that I sold to my friends at Gnomescape Studios. I had originally sold them a different unit, but that turned out to be not as suitable for his purposes as this one. Gnomescape Studios is a tape transfer service, and so first I'm going to demonstrate the unit's performance, and then I'll show what I did to optimize it for a tape transfer service, because I used to do a lot of tape transfers myself. So what I've done here is this no longer has an output section. It has been converted to be just a line level signal source for like a stereo receiver, or for Gnomescape's basic mixing console, if you will, whatever you want to call it. And so first we'll just make sure everything works before we do too much else. Got some Nielsen Acca here, so let's pop in a tape. Okay, and there was something there. You'll take your heart, thinking it's a joke, and break it apart. Always be my... Okay, we're coming up on an automatic track change, so we'll just let it do its thing. There it is. Okay, first song on that side. Okay, so now I'll show you guys what I did